Last year ended up being a pretty down year for condo demand in the market because interest rates were so high that the payments on condo ownership ended up being higher than comparable payments on a lot of rental units. And so that pushed a lot more people to stay in rentals than move into condo ownership. However, that drop in demand was offset by a significant drop in the amount of condos being listed for sale. Last year, we saw a 30% drop in the number of condos that hit the market for sale compared to 2022. And it was actually a 40% drop compared to 2021. The net result of this drop in demand and new listing inventory was pretty flat condo pricing. Depending on what metrics you're looking at, average price point, average price per square foot, median price point, with or without new construction, you can see that condo prices were either up slightly or down slightly. It's fair to say that condo prices from 2022 to 2023 were pretty flat. However, the market did get a bit more competitive for buyers due to the low supply. About half of condo properties that hit the market went under contract in 10 days or less, and the percentage that buyers were negotiating off of the original asking price increased by about 0.5% from 2022 to 2023. So buyers lost a little bit of leverage in negotiations. Looking ahead to the 2024 Arlington condo market, I actually think that there's some potential for some real price appreciation this year. Could be to the tune of 3 to 5%. We're seeing upward pressure on prices from a couple of different places. One is the current supply levels of active inventory are trending well below the 10-year historical average for supply, and so low supply oftentimes leads to higher prices. We're seeing momentum in demand with a much higher percentage of condos being sold within 10 days on market over the last couple of years, and we're also seeing buyers losing negotiation leverage over the original asking price over the last couple of years. Again, that's some upward pressure on pricing. And I also think that there's going to be some pent-up demand that we see this year where would-be condo buyers last year decided to stay with their rentals because interest rates were so high. And then this year, as those leases expire, I think we're going to see a lot of holdouts from last year entering the market, in addition to the folks who would normally be condo buyers this year. I think that there's going to be an increase in demand, and all this is assuming that interest rates stay either flat or continue a slight downward trajectory. Now, for all of the condo boards and condo finance chairs, I included a fun table for you to take a look at to compare how your condo fees look relative to the rest of the market. There has been over the last 2 years about an average of a 12 to 15% increase in condo fees in the Arlington condo market. This is much higher than normal. Normally you're seeing annual increases of 2 to 3% because condo fee increases should and normally do follow inflation. But we've had such high inflation numbers over the last couple of years that it is fairly normal in the condo market right now to be seeing double-digit increases in condo fees over the last couple of years. If you'd like to take a look at the full set of data on condo market performance in Arlington last year and over the last 5 years, and if you'd like to dig into the condo fee data that I put together, just check out this week's Ask Eli column. Thanks for watching.